Hello friends, welcome to the series Glimpses of 75 members of Constituent Assembly. In this particular episode, we will see the personality James Joy Mohan Nicholas Roy. He was born on 12th of June 1884 in a tribal family. He did his initial schooling at Lab High School and was then admitted to Shillong Government High School. He obtained his BA degree from Calcutta University. He was elected to the Constituent Assembly from Assam on a Congress ticket. He spoke on various issues. He spoke on the issue of tribal rights and autonomy. He appreciated and was happy because of the sixth schedule being included in the Constitution of India. He highlighted the need for the special provisions for the state of Assam. He spoke on how the Constitution has created unity in India. We are thankful to him for his contribution in the making of the Constitution of India. Thank you.